Potatoes are one of the most popular and well-known food sources around the world. They are very versatile and can be used in a number of different recipes and make a great side dish. Not only are potatoes consumed for their taste, but they are also loaded with healthy nutrients and offer unique health benefits for those who consume them. This is what makes them a staple in many people's diet around the world. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming potatoes regularly. First, potatoes contain many different vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that are important for our health. They are well known for containing a variety of important nutrients. More specifically, potatoes are an excellent source of vitamin C, potassium, vitamin B6, manganese, niacin, and folate. They are also an excellent source of dietary fiber, unique antioxidants, and contain some protein. As mentioned previously, potatoes contain many different unique antioxidant compounds that can promote our overall health and prevent certain diseases. They are an excellent source of compounds such as carotenoids, phenolic acids, and flavonoids. These antioxidants can help to fight and eliminate free radicals in the body and boost the immune system. Consuming potatoes can also help to improve digestion and promote the proper function of the digestive tract. This is often attributed to its good levels of resistant starch. When resistant starch is consumed and enters the large intestine, it can help good and beneficial bacteria in the gut to thrive, while also being converted into short-chain fatty acids. These fatty acids are then used as a food source for good bacteria. Potatoes can also help to reduce inflammation throughout the digestive tract. They can also help to promote the overall health of the heart and reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. This is often attributed to the healthy carotenoid compounds found in potatoes, as well as other antioxidant compounds that can reduce free radicals and inflammation, which can compromise the cardiovascular system. As well, their good levels of fiber can help to improve and regulate cholesterol levels in the body, while the great levels of potassium is also helpful in this regard. Lastly, consuming potatoes regularly can help to improve the health and look of the skin. This is because potatoes are loaded with skin-healthy nutrients, such as vitamin C, B vitamins, zinc, and magnesium. These skin health benefits can occur when applied topically or consumed. Potatoes can also help to reduce unwanted skin conditions, such as acne, while also hydrating and nourishing the skin. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.